Sterling Machinery has been selling brand new and used machinery such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, insertion presses, and much more since 1954. Here's a nice Hager 824, 8-ton, 24-inch throat insertion press. Very, very clean. You can see it has the bowl feeder on it. Simple machine. Got a foot pedal operation. If you're interested in buying, selling, or trading any insertion presses, fabrication machinery, or chip machinery, give us a call at 626-444-0311 or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.